I'm Coach Darian at Copilot, and today I'm going to show you how to do a Cossack Squat. A Cossack Squat is more of an advanced movement, but is a great exercise for opening up the hips, building your quad strength, core strength, glute strength, and you can progress into it. So even if you can't get it right away, full depth, that's okay. I'm going to show you some modifications. Step one on doing your Cossack Squat, you're going to take a nice wide step. Step two, you're gonna start to open up the hip by turning the toe to the sky. You're gonna push your hips back and down as low as you can maintain. Heel on the ground, knee tracking out, and a nice tall chest. From here, you're gonna move your foot back down. Stand up and step back to center. So first, you're gonna take a wide step. As you're stepping, bend the knees, send the hips back. Start opening up the other hip, toe to the sky, and lower down as low as you can maintain. Heel on the floor, knee tracking out, and nice tall chest. Stand up and push back to center. Now, I know that that's really low. You need a lot of mobility for that. So if you can't go that low, that's totally fine. You're gonna go as low as you can, making sure you're maintaining proper form. So I'm gonna step out to the side, hips back, knee out, heel down. I'm gonna open up this hip. Now, if I notice that this heel's starting to come up, I know I've gone a little bit too low for where I'm at right now. So I'm gonna stop here, press into that foot, step back to center, and over to the other side. So I'm just going as low as I can maintain proper form. That may even mean that you're just going to here, pushing the hips back and down, and back to center. Another great way to train the Cossack squats, if you are finding that you don't quite have the mobility to go low yet, is to take a wide stance, maintain the wide stance as you push the hips over to one side and then the other. This will also allow you to focus on the mobility without having to focus as much on the strength element of it. All right, I hope you have a chance to try out some Cossack squats today. If you like this video, go ahead and hit like and subscribe. Check back to our channel. We have more videos like this.